Everybody, good morning. It's Brennan from Brennan's Mobile Detailing. We're out here in Hamilton, Ontario. We got ourselves an interior, exterior truck detail on this Dodge Ram 1500. Let me give you guys a walk through here and show you what's going on here today.
This card.
Hey everybody, we got this interior, exterior done on this Dodge Ram 1500 out here in Hamilton. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Let me show you guys what I got done on this vehicle here behind us.